Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the drifting point of view part 3. So at this point in the evening it was getting really dark, and as you can see it was just getting a bit dark, so the light wasn't really there. As you see, I was just trying to get better at drifting on my first attempt. I think I was getting better during the day, but it was just a bit more like difficult. But you know, it was all right. And yeah, the Nissan 350 was battered, and I didn't trust any of the lights on it, so I just left them off because it was nice enough to see. But yeah, as you can see, I'm sort of getting the hang of it more. It's a bit more fluid, a bit more of emotion, so it's not too bad. I spun out a few times. That was a horrendous spin out, but it's continual learning, and we just got to do our best. And yep, I think I maybe made this one. Yeah, I made this one reasonably well. But yeah, the end bit here was my nemesis. I could never I got the hang of it a couple of times, but as you can just see, I just kept spinning out on it. But you know, I gave enough beans, gave enough power and stuff like that to try and do my best. That one there, that was pretty smooth, to be fair to it. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching part 3 of the video. And remember, if cabbage can, you can too.